Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video run through tour of our 2017 Volkswagen Tiguan R-Line we have new in stock. I'm just going to run through the specification of this vehicle, just pointing out some of the main standout features. To begin with, on the exterior you can see our example here is finished in the optional blue metallic paintwork and comes with the large gloss black and diamond turned alloy wheels as optional features as well. The vehicle being an R-Line model means you get the R-Line exterior body styling with the gloss black bumper trim around the front, the rear and the side of the vehicle. Lower LED fog lights, LED headlights with the daytime running lights and the dynamic light assistant, a half fabric and half leather interior with the R logo on the seats. You get the flat bottom leather trimmed multi-function steering wheel with access to adaptive cruise control from the left hand side. The vehicle comes with multi-zone climate control, heated front seats, a touchscreen central display where you can access DAB radio, satellite navigation and the parking sensor display screen as well. Lastly, the vehicle does come with split folding rear seats and, as you can see, plenty of boot space for all of your storage needs. If you'd like to know any more information about this car, would like to book a viewing or a test drive, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end or inquire through our website.